It's been amazing. I've definitely enjoyed my experience. It almost feels like a little mini endo residency, and definitely even if you find one tip or trick that just helps you to take back to practice, I think it's super valuable. I mean, how many opportunities do you really have for your endodontist to come and just be over your shoulder and just kind of watch you and kind of tell you, what things to change. So that was really invaluable, and it's been awesome. Yes, absolutely. I feel like the instruction that we got here, I mean, I don't know, it's not, I mean, our dental school obviously taught us the basics and all those things, but really, I feel like when you have the opportunity to do it in practice, you have a little bit more insight of things that you really need to work on, and this really gives you the opportunity to work on those troubleshoot areas that you're having trouble with. So I would definitely recommend it to others. I think it's an invaluable experience, and I'm really glad she created this program. She's awesome. She's super down to earth. Make a mistake, it's not a big deal. She helps you troubleshoot things, and what I really liked is she really wants you to learn. She wants you to do the work. So if there's something that she wants you to modify, she might show you, but she really wants you to kind of take ownership of the case and really kind of be able to work from start to finish. So I really did appreciate that. I love seeing her sequence of things. I think the Pro Glider file is probably my favorite file that I've discovered this weekend. Just really understanding too that really doesn't matter what file system that you use, as long as you know what you're using and know how to use it and irrigate and obturate with it. It really doesn't matter as long as you get the basic concepts down. That's something I'm definitely going to take. I also had the opportunity to bring my own assistants. I think it was super valuable for them. They learned a lot just about how that we can work more efficiently together. So definitely have a few takeaways that are going to help in practice.